Yes, very good morning to one and all. Now, in this advertising agency module, we are learning career opportunities in advertising agencies. And now, which type of careers are available? Because advertising, to do advertising and to be associated with them is like a golden experience. We have media visibility, one plus point. Then you can express your own views. If you have hidden potential to do ads or to modeling, to do research, to do copywriting, then art director, then such kind of huge potential people are required in advertising field. What which are the areas available for you to do career in advertising? Now let us study. First of all, advertising field offers a range of lucrative, interesting careers. Just I told you, career opportunities in advertising includes opening the advertising agencies, then advertising department, then department private or public sector companies, then advertising sections in newspapers, journals, magazines, commercial sections of radio or television market research organization, etc. One can also do freelancing. ज्या काय आपल्याला क्षेत्रामध्ये आवड आहे, लिखाणाची कोणाला आवड असते, कोणाला कविता किंवा छान छान स्लोगन्स अनेक जण लिहू शकतात, त्यांना आवड असते. आणि अशांसाठी मग हे करिअरचं एक दालन जाहिरात संस्था किंवा जाहिरातीशी निगडीत ज्या काही गोष्टी आवश्यक आहेत अशांसाठी आहे. तर कोणकोणते असे जबाबदारी किंवा जे काही आपल्याला आवड आहे, तर सर्वप्रथम आपण पाहूया की ज्यांना व्हिज्युअलायझर्स म्हणजे जाहिरात ही कशा प्रकारची नेमकी आहे, होणार आहे, किंवा कशा प्रकारे सादरीकरण असायला, बॅकग्राऊंड कशी हवी, किंवा कलर कॉम्बिनेशन जाहिरात कुणाकडून करून घेतली पाहिजेत, प्रोफेशनल्स किंवा ऍक्टर, सेलिब्रिटीज, कोणत्या क्षेत्रामधले ते सेलिब्रिटीज असायला हवेत. तर या सर्व गोष्टींचे जे काय आहे ते व्हिज्युअलाइज ह्या गोष्टी ह्या आपल्या दृष्टी क्षेत्रामध्ये पाहाव्या लागतात. पहिल्यांदा एखादा चित्रपट पाहायचा आपल्याला बनवायचा असेल तर पहिल्यांदा डायरेक्टर जो असतो ह्याच्या डोळ्यासमोर एक कल्पना स्पष्ट हवी. जेव्हा टायटॅनिक बनवायचं होतं तेव्हा जेम्स कॅमेरॉन समोर एक पूर्ण कल्पना visualizers. First of all, it is become a special activity. How one must have the visualizers work on the visual concept and decide how the ad shall eventually look. They do the overall layout of message including graphics, sketching, etc. For taking up career as a visualizer, one must have degree, diploma in commercial arts or fine arts. The aspirant must have knowledge of software like Photoshop, PageMaker, CorelDRAW. Such skills, talent in a particular field which is expected to know, along with creativity and imagination. So always imagination is superior to intellect, because imagination has no any sort of limitations. Imagination is limitless. One can visualize creative ideas, creative techniques. Uh, Creativity is required in visualizing the thing. Visualizers. Then another field, that is copywriters. Copywriters means one who has ability to write script, dialogues, then a slogan for advertising, lyrics which is required for advertisements. Say for example, some of the copy we like to watch on television, like one up and label ads, a really wonderful ad. Uh, then Cadbury's, then another the background or the visualization of one ad, that is Ghadi. We can visualize, or the copywriting Amitabh Bachchan's ad घड़ी पहले इस्तेमाल करे फिर विश्वास करे सब. So such a script is a must. So it has everlasting impact, like Nirmas, okay, Dettol. Okay, look at copyrights. Dettol, I also told you I would like to remind this ad. बारिश में मस्ती, बारिश में मस्ती फुदकती है जैसी, जम सी फुदकते हैं. So सब कुछ allowed, रोग राई हो out. So copywriting is a must. It is the essence of each and every ad. Copywriting and the visualization, all the things are interlinked with each other. When in cycle pure अगरबत्ती advertisement of the same actor, जब भी इस अगरबत्ती की महक मेरे दिल को छूती है तो पूजा करती हुई माँ का ख्याल आता है. माँ तो अब रही नहीं, लेकिन जब भी मुस्कुराकर वो मेरी तरफ देखती थी तो मैं समझ जाता था कि उनकी प्रार्थना मेरे ही लिए है. So such kind of creativity, who one have written it, but really a wonderful, which has, a mother son relationship, noble relationship, parents, and the fragrance of these things, the atmosphere which is created is a unique one, everlasting one. So so such kind of incredible ads, they may have everlasting impact on target audience or any kind of audience, and they can capture the entire market. Then another, we will discuss account executives. In account executives, okay, in copywriting, let me say a few words. One must have competency over writing. लिखाण ही एक ताकद आहे. कोणत्याही प्रकारची तुम्ही कविता लिहा किंवा तुम्ही प्रोज लिहा, कादंबरी लिहा, त्यामध्ये एक ताकद असते. एक शब्द जरी लिहिलात त्याच्यामध्ये एक ताकद असली पाहिजे. शब्दांमध्ये वजनदार किंवा जे काही आपल्याला फ्रेश वाटलं पाहिजे. आता कोका कोलाचा ऍट द बिगिनिंग जेव्हा जाहिरात आली, Then account executives, let us study. The account executive is responsible for all aspects of account client. They act as a link between the client and agency. They are responsible for maintaining good relationship with the clients. Account executives, they are responsible to maintain account related activities, and they do the task of a bridge or link between. Yes, account executives we are learning in career opportunities. One whoever want to pursue career in account executives, he or she must have knowledge of commerce, MCom, BCom, or MBA, etc. Then account executive also must have leadership qualities. Account executive must have communication skill. They must be flexible in their approach and must possess time management skill. Yes, such kind of things one should possess to do successful account executive in advertising field. Then media, then account executive and production team. Production team looks after the mechanical production of the ads. Photographers, printers, typographers, etc. form the production team. This team is concerned with all the technical processes of turning the final copy and artwork into a real ad for print or TV, radio. In a nutshell, production team or the production team includes photographers, printers, typographers, etc. They are directly associated with production, actual production of the ad that we watch on television, we read in newspapers, or we also read in magazines and outdoor media. Then this team is concerned with all the technical processes. Just I told you. In addition, there is a lot of administrative work in the production department to monitor the final production of the ads. Last, at conclusion, we can say that his production team requires creative people, those have interest to pursue the career, and then who can click photos with different angles. Then photography, I told you, printing okay, but photography, they must have creativity. They should do some courses in photography. Then media team, let us study. Media team is responsible for the planning, scheduling, booking and purchase of space and time in media. The team includes media planners and media buyers. Media planners create a detailed media plan. They determine the media mix for the advertising campaign. The responsibilities that in the media team has to do, those employees should have the knowledge to purchase the space for media and time for television media and space for print media, where to print, where to show advertisement in the television, the activities that they have to do to pursue the business. कनेक्शन अनस्टेबल होते हो कसं करा.
सर आवाज नाही येतोय, ब्रेक होतोय.
आवाज ब्रेक होतोय.
आवाज
हा
आवाज हॅलो हॅलो
हा बोला की.
येतोय सर.
येतोय ना आता.
हो सर आता येतोय.
ओके ओके. हा देव पावला म्हणायचं. ठीक आहे. तर आपण पाहू. Account executives we have seen. Then production team, those people, employees are directly associated with the actual production of advertisement, photographer, etc. Then media team, the responsibility of a media team or executives in media team to purchase the space in print media and to deal with production team, we have seen media team, then research. Research is the essence of every advertising agency. Research, without research, advertising agency is having body without soul. So research about market or the trends which are coming or existing in the market, new modifications, target audience or customers expectations about the products, its design, the quality, everything changes with the course of time. And a successful advertisement captures the essence and reflect everything. The help of research. Research is basic thing. All reputed advertising agency have good research. They have such research oriented employees. Therefore, they have placed their name in world advertising agencies. Then management and finance. There are several other jobs which are of routine nature. For example, accounting, finance, record keeping, office management, and so on. Commerce graduates are preferred. So you can also think you all are from commerce faculty. You can seriously think over how which type of careers that advertising agencies offer, and if you have hidden talent potentials that we have discussed, visualizers, copywriters, account executives, production team, media team, whatever research, if you are interested in research, so you can utilize your potential. And advertising career in advertising gives you a new cap in your feather. Then other includes photographers, typographers, artists, animators. Many companies these days are recruiting IT graduates. They are using IT to analyze the effect of advertising, which enables them to give feedback. So we have seen some of the career opportunities which are available in advertising field. Then let us discuss some of the things which is associated with the eligibility and course areas. Educational eligibility is the preference should be given to MBAs for posts in the market research, client servicing and media planning departments. In the creative department, a general BA with the command of the language of communication plus knowledge of software like Photoshop, CorelDRAW or Fine Arts is required. Then media, in media, journalism course or mass communication or MBA is required. Finance, CA, ICWA, then MBA, finance, film specialization in audio visual production course in printing and pre-press processes are required. Along with the things, personal attributes, I mean some personal, say for example, person in this field requires abundant energy, creativity, innovation, activeness, sincerity, effective communication, presentation skill, team and leadership skill, soft, calm temperament. Cool person is required, not short tempered, because so many times one has to adjust with the situation. Calm temperament, analytical skill is required in research. Then confidence. In every walk of life, in any field, you must possess confidence. Whoever this area, doctor, engineer, actor, professor, teacher, whoever may be, in any field, confidence. Google Meet वर या थोडा वेळ बोलूया. Okay, thank you for silent listening.